Welcome to September's Market Update. Brought to you in cooperation with this sponsor. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of September. The number of active listings was down 18% from 1 year earlier and down 11% from the previous month. This smaller inventory means that buyers who waited to buy may have had a smaller selection to choose from. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was just over $160,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days that units spent on the market before being sold was down 59%. This lower number of days may signal a positive trend in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $170,000. The number of units sold increased 9% year over year and held steady month over month. These latest figures are encouraging news for both buyers and sellers, indicating a positive trend in the marketplace. Thanks for watching. We hope you use this information to make smart, informed decisions in your upcoming real estate transactions. Feel free to contact us for more information or further assistance.